December 5th, 2024. This is your Newhall real estate update. All of Santa Clarita. I'm going to cover that in just a moment. I'm, of course, Connor McIver, first responder realtor. I'm going to bring you the latest updates from the heart of Newhall, one of the most charming areas of Santa Clarita Valley. Whether you're buying, selling, or just keeping tabs on the market, this is your go-to source for what's happening in your neighborhood. Now, the overall view of Santa Clarita Valley can be broken down in my 7-day snapshot I do daily just before the specific city show. This week's activity across Santa Clarita Valley, including Newhall, reflects a healthy and balanced real estate market. Here's the breakdown. Coming soon listings, one listing is actually on the market but not ready for showings. 29 listings are brand new this past week. 38 properties have had their prices changed. Big numbers here. More about that in a moment. 14 properties have gone back on the market, actually having escrows canceled and then going back on the market as being for sale yet again. 29 properties active under contract. 26 properties have gone pending. 41 closed sales this past week. 12 properties expired. 8 were canceled. 10 have been put on hold. No listings have been withdrawn from the for sale market. This data shows steady improvement with notable activity and price adjustments in new listings, offering opportunities for buyers to find their next home and sellers to fine-tune their strategies. Neighborhood Highlights in Newhall offers diverse housing options, from family-friendly neighborhoods like Happy Valley to the charming condos in Vista del Canyon and the sprawling estates in Placerita Canyon. Here's what buyers and sellers should know. For sellers, the days on market timeframes, homes in Newhall are averaging 30 days on the market for single-family residences and 60 to 90 days for condominiums and townhomes. Well-maintained homes in areas like the neighborhoods of Old Orchard, Old Town Newhall, and Hidden Knoll tend to sell faster due to their appeal and walkable locations. For competitive pricing, buyers are definitely price conscious, and competitively priced homes are attracting strong offers. Homes with upgrades like modern kitchens, energy efficient systems, or potential for ADUs, those accessory dwelling units like having your own apartment to rent out on your property, or maybe for in-laws or kids that happen to boomerang back in areas like Happy Valley and Peachland Estates, are definitely particularly desirable. As far as concessions, be prepared to negotiate closing cost concessions or minor repairs. These have become a lot more common. I'm watching that homes priced too high or lacking upgrades may see longer market timeframes and require adjustments. And as far as financing it definitely matters. Most sellers are accepting FHA, VA, and conventional loans, while cash buyers hold a competitive edge due to shorter contingencies. For first-time buyers, condos in neighborhoods like Vista del Canyon offer affordability without sacrificing community amenities. Areas like Hidden Knoll and Valle de Oro feature homes with great value per square foot, while Placerita Canyon offers spacious estates perfect for families seeking privacy and room to grow. For inspection timelines, just to know, cash deals often come with shorter inspection periods, typically 7 to 10 days, where financed offers allow for up to 17 days. But all of this is dependent on what your agent is having negotiated for you up front with the seller. In some cases, if the agent fails to make that phone call to find out the best way to script that offer to be more seller-centric, and of course you as a buyer being able to accept those particular terms, it's a much smoother flow into escrow for those sellers when you have a smart agent that makes that phone call and does the due diligence before just running you out and showing you umpteen thousand properties. And actually, we lack that much inventory now. Newhall right now continues to offer a mix of affordability, charm, and luxury. Here are some important trends to keep in mind. For condos and townhomes, affordable options in communities like Vista del Canyon and Valle de Oro are attracting first-time home buyers and investors alike. Monthly HOA fees ranging from $400 to $550 cover desirable amenities like pools, spas, and common area maintenance. As far as your homeowners association dues, some of these were a lot less in the recent past, but insurance problems here in California have created these to become overextended. So when you're looking at properties that are for sale, make sure you take into account whether it has Mello-Roos, special assessments, those are the extra taxes, and check that HOA figure. While on paper you might be approved for, let's say, $300,000, but a $500 HOA is going to add a lot to that. So please make sure you do your checking, due diligence, and explain to your agent where your qualification numbers are, they should be doing those adjustments. In the high-end market, particularly a Newhall within the Placerita Canyon, particular properties, they showcase expansive properties with custom features, including pools, paid solar systems, and large usable lots. These homes cater to buyers seeking privacy and exclusivity. First, the Santa Clarita Valley. The broader Santa Clarita Valley market remains active with notable increases in price changes and back-on-market properties. Signaling opportunities to buyers to secure favorable terms, sellers with expired or canceled listings should consider revisiting their pricing strategy or improving the property's presentation. Now, my book is now published, finally out on Amazon. I'm thrilled to announce that my book is available and also on my website at santaclaritaopenhouses.com. You'll see it right there in the center of the home page. This comprehensive guide is tailored for buyers and sellers navigating the Santa Clarita Valley real estate market. And truth be told, folks, it's not about how much the book costs. There's printing costs involved in that. That's not where I earn my income. Income comes from representing buyers and sellers, hence the book, because there's a lot of misinformation out there. This book will help you. I would love you to use me as your realtor, of course. But again, you might have your own preference and maybe I'm not a good fit, but the book is going to give you why. Why should you be doing certain things? And especially if you're having it suggested to you by your real estate professional or even lender, you should inquire and ask why. So pricing your home for success, tips on attracting competitive offers I put in there, loan options demystified. I talked about FHA, VA, conventional, and cash. I explained those in detail. I covered negotiation tactics, how to win in a competitive market. And again, self-centered, of course, by what a first responder realtor with integrity, service, and local expertise, what would set me apart from others. Now, don't miss my podcast where I break down each chapter, sharing actionable insights to make your real estate journey a success. And of course, let's make your real estate goals a reality. As your first responder realtor, I bring unmatched dedication, honor, and expertise to every transaction. Whether you're looking to buy your dream home, sell for top dollar, or invest smartly, I'm here to guide you every step of the way. When you're ready, call me at 661-400-1720 or go to santaclaritaopenhouses.com. You'll see every single listing there that's advertised for sale, just like the syndication sites, but mine doesn't have all those pop-up or ads. That any information you put on my website is only going to come to me, not being sold, traded, given away, or anything else. I'm Connor with Honor. I wish you a good day. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll be in the next one. Have a great day. We'll talk to you soon.